Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kani kedai ke kenhon jong ketnat ke kuat ke kia jong ke sarkar jela. Kebaha ke jing kendo bat kinong pathai kubur, ha ke hendau terik mentau bena jembang arhajar kat kendai. Ha Shillong Press Club, kelai tu halor ke jing Atika, dawai, measles bat rubella, ha East Castles District. Kat kum ke jitu kani ke kenhon laong batang ha East Castles District, ke jing dan ki kelung bat ki kena. Ki baha pedeng karta kendai benai hadu kat san senem karta, ki don arlak sanpo hajar ngot baro, bat na kini, ki baladap ya ketika measles rubella, ki ladap hadu arlak arpsau hajar ngot, kebamot ketnat ke koi ke kia kala pendap kumbah nyop kendai na kasispa. Ladak hen lang habor kawai ke jela, ki kelung bat kena ki baha hapo ke kat san senem karta, ki don hadu kat wei lak poin sanpo hajar, ngot, Henry ke bapendiau, ya ketnat ke koi ke kia kelong, bah ki babon ki distrik ompalak ban pendap ya kini kecing Atika, na ki babon ki daw, namar ki kimi ki kiba, kim wan cakmat ban yetre lang, bat ketnat ke koi ke kia. Kaba kathong kelong, ba komno de ban pendap, hadu kendai pusan na kisispa, ban pendu jad ya uniu kenyang jingpang.
The main motive of calling this press conference is to send out an appeal to the parents of all these children who are not being vaccinated, right, with MR vaccine, because we need to achieve herd immunity to get these children protected in the community, and in order to achieve herd immunity we need at least 95% of the children in this target age group to be vaccinated. Otherwise, those who are still not vaccinated, like malnourished or unvaccinated or immunocompromised children, would not be able to break the transmission of the disease.
Measles is a disease that is a disease of complications, and the complications also include death. Other common complications like pneumonia, it occurs in 1 in 20 cases of measles, encephalitis 1 in 1000 cases. Similar to pneumonia, diarrhea also occurs, and you know that respiratory infection and diarrhea are the commonest cause of death in children, and both are the commonest complications of measles. That is why it is very, very important that we protect the children by giving them vaccines on time.
Measles actually is a disease which is caused by a virus, and it mostly affects children from the infancy onwards. So that is why the measles vaccine, previously we were giving measles vaccine at 9 months of age. Now what happened is, why we don't give less than 9 months of age? Why is because up to 9 months the baby has already got the maternal antibodies in their system, so it fights any kind of infections. So what happens if we give the vaccine before 9 months? What will happen? The vaccine will be neutralized by the maternal antibodies. So 9 months is a very optimal time when the vaccine needs to be introduced, so that the child will not be susceptible to measles vaccine. Now rubella is being also been incorporated along with the measles vaccine to be started at 9 months of age. Now rubella and measles both are, if you look at it as disease, they are both viral diseases which are they are not very serious disease in itself. It comes out with fever and rash and running nose and all, so high fever. But what actually happens is that measles can reduce the immunity of the child. It reduces the immunity of the child, so makes him susceptible to all kinds of secondary bacterial infections. So child becomes immunocompromised. So the child becomes susceptible to pneumonia, becomes susceptible to encephalitis, meningitis. Those are the serious complications which can take the life of the child. So that is why it is possible to prevent that. So basically we need to prevent it. So that is why vaccination is important. Number 2, rubella again. If a girl will get a rubella infection, it is as a disease, simple rashes will come out. Some fever and mild rashes will come out, but the virus will remain in the person's body, and when the mother becomes pregnant, that is when the the virus will go and affect the fetus once the fetus is developing in the mother's body, and it will lead to a lot of abnormalities in the fetus. There are times when the fetus is not even cannot survive. So much serious congenital anomalies can occur. So fetus will not survive. So there are chances of infertility. Infertility follow, and there are chances of fetal abnormalities, congenital anomalies. So there are certain abnormalities which is known as the congenital rubella syndrome. What happens is that the child is born blind. There can be blindness, there can be deafness, and that child may be born with no head, no brains. And in encephaly there can be abnormalities in the brain. So what happens? What is the point of having a child? Having a child which will be born and will be a burden to the society. So this kind of not only to the society, to the parents also. So these can be prevented. This can be prevented by giving the vaccine. So the vaccine should be given at 9 months. And now, why is this campaign important? Is because all children needs to be immunized. The body's resistance needs to be developed to a certain level so that it can fight the virus. It can fight the virus. So if some children are not vaccinated, they remain susceptible. So they still are. So what happens is that the virus can transmit. The virus can transmit from the one who are susceptible to the one who are not vaccinated. So that is why it is important to have a coverage. So all 95% of children from 9 months to 15 years should have the vaccine, so as to have a high level of immunity, so that the virus can be the transmission of the virus can be stopped.